जो टॉपिक है दैट इज GUI टेस्टिंग. GUI testing is basically graphical user interface testing. So guys, what do you understand by graphical user interface testing?
Mostly, sir, it is exposed to the users who are using that app or website.
Okay, all right. Okay, can you give me some example? What are the things that are exposed to user?
Home button, about us, and also the
Okay, yeah. Basically, I UI, right?
Yes, yes, right.
Okay. Is there anyone else who wanna give a different answer, or everyone is good with the same answer?
GUI testing means checking the color, size, font size, layout.
Yeah, that is, I guess, same. Checking the UI things, right? Okay, I will give a more relatable word, checking the visual components of a web page or anything, any project or product, right? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you agree with this. Okay. Okay, guys, so see, let's let's do it little bit in details and then we will see some examples, okay? Guys, give me a thumbs up if my screen is shared. Okay. Okay. So GUI testing stands for graphical user interface testing. It ensures that visual elements of an application are functioning correctly and align with the design specification. Okay. So guys, basically you will be getting a Figma design or a Canva design of a website, and you have to match everything with that design document, that everything is properly aligned. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you understood till here. Okay. Okay, let me take you to some examples. Okay, guys, so this is the, let me remove credentials from here. Okay, okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you can see Facebook. Okay, okay, all right. Let me take a screenshot also for this. Okay, so I am taking a screenshot of this and I will be pasting it on our whiteboard. Okay, all right. Okay, so we are having this screenshot. Guys, is it visible to everyone? Okay, so let's start testing from very basic. Okay, very basic. Okay, first thing I can see is that Facebook text. Okay, first thing I can see. Just suppose, guys, this is a Canva design document. Okay, this might be the Figma design document or a Canva design document. Okay, and we have to compare it with the original. Okay, we have to compare it with the original website. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood till here. Okay, okay, all right. So see, we will be checking each and everything. First of all is the text Facebook. See guys, I can see that it has some special font. It's different than all the other text on the page, and this is basically in bold, and this is a blue color. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Okay, now I will go on the real page facebook.com and I will see if all of the properties matches or not. all of the properties matches or not, and even the spellings, if the spellings are written correct. Okay, all right, all right, okay, all right. Then I will be checking this second text. Facebook helps you to connect and share with the people. Don't see any special property in this. It's just a simple text written with some font, and it's in black color. Right, guys? Okay. So I will be doing again the same thing. I will be comparing this text. Is it the same text? Are the spellings correct? Is the font same? Is the color text same? I'll be comparing the basic properties. Okay. Okay. Later comes, I am zooming in a bit more. Okay. So here I can see that there are two fields: email address, phone number, and password. Okay. So these two fields must be having some properties. The first thing is that they are fields. Okay, they must accept some input. Okay, if it was a button, then it must be clickable. Okay, and if it was a drop down, it must show options when I click on it. Guys, you are you getting what I'm saying? You need to check if that the properties matches. If it's a field, then it should contain the properties of the field. What's the major property of the field? It accepts input. If it's a button, it should be clickable. Okay, it should be clickable, right? If it's a drop down, it should have options. Whenever you click, it should open the options whenever you clicked it. Okay, so you have to check the basic functionality of the if it's field, then you have to check if it's accepting inputs or not. If it's a button, then you have to check if it's clickable or not. If it's a link, then you have to check if it's behaving like a link or not, it's taking to a different page or not. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. Okay, then I will be seeing, okay, this in the screenshot, this field also has a placeholder: email address or phone number. Okay, email address or phone number. Okay, so I will check if there is a placeholder or not. I can see that there is a placeholder, right? Now I will see if this is accepting inputs or not. Since this is a field, I'm checking this is accepting inputs. I'm not giving valid inputs or invalid inputs to test it right now. We are just doing GUI testing, okay? We are just doing UI testing or GUI testing. Okay. Next is the password. Okay, next is the password. So password, first thing is that it is having a placeholder password. Let me check into facebook.com. Yes, it's having a placeholder password in here. Okay. Okay, guys. And next thing is, whenever you enter something in password field, it's always hidden by default, right? It's always hidden by default. See, everything is coming into a dot. Okay, okay. And next thing I would see that this I icon. Okay, this has a basic property of toggling between a hide and show. Okay, so I would just test if it's clickable. Resting functionality, I will check later when I will be doing when we will be talking about functional testing. Okay, when we'll be doing functional testing or checking functional testing. Okay, all right. So I will be checking if it's opening and closing on clicking. Okay, all right. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. Okay. Okay, guys, so I will just talk last about this login button, and I guess rest of the things are understood. Give me a thumbs up if you are okay with just till login, and give me a thumbs down if you need further explanations for this forget password link and create new account button and create a page for celebrity or this or everything. Give me a thumbs up if you are good till login, and give me a thumbs down if you want explanation for these two also. Okay, I cannot see any thumbs down. Okay, so I will be just explaining till login. Okay, now I can see a button. Button color is blue. Okay, it has a text login that is in the bold letters. It has some font and 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 this button should be clickable. Okay, see, I will be removing this password first and I will be logging in. Okay, see, I logged in. Okay, this button is clickable. Okay, this button is clickable. It has a blue color and it has a text login with the same font and it's bold. Okay, so give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understand what's GUI testing. Okay, guys, so all right. I guess you understood GUI testing. Okay, guys, okay. Let's see what else we need to read in GUI testing. Okay. Okay, guys, so here are the key focus areas you need to keep in mind while checking the layout thing. Okay, while checking the GUI testing. The first is layout and the elements. Checking placement of button, text fields, and images. Okay, the alignment should be correct. Okay, the alignment, you got what's alignment, right? If in the screenshot it's aligned in the center, then in the original facebook.com it should be aligned in the center only. It cannot be here or there. Okay, you got this, right? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you got this. Okay, all right. Color and fonts, we already talked about color and fonts too much in this example, right? Okay, guys, okay. Okay, and interactive elements like buttons are clickable, links are redirecting to the correct place, menus like drop down menus and everything like this. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood interactive elements point also. Okay, responsiveness is one of the point which is left. See, guys, this is the Facebook page, and right now it's open in laptop. And when I will be opening this in phone, I will be getting a different screenshot for mobile phone, how it would like look like in mobile phone. Okay, let me see if I can do this from here only. Okay, okay guys, let me do this. Okay, do you see the screen shrink? Do you see the screen shrinks and UI is changing, right? UI is changing. Facebook comes from here to here, right? And UI is changing. UI also depends on screen size, right? See, this is how it would look like in mobile. When you will search facebook.com in your mobile, it will look something like this. Okay, and not exactly like this. There might be some differences, but something like this. Okay, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this. We will be getting a different screenshot for mobile or tab or big screens. Okay, okay, guys, so I guess you understood GUI testing very well. We did a great example. We properly did a practical example. We just didn't make the documentations, but we did a great example, right? We performed many test cases in this. Okay, okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if you are good with GUI testing. Then we will be moving forward. Okay, guys.